All right, today we're going to be talking about 3 ways to improve your AdWords campaign for your software and IT business immediately. All right, before I get into it, tell you guys a little bit about me, who I am. My name is Michael Kieris. I'm a client acquisition expert, and I specifically work with software and IT businesses, and I help them get more clients using inbound and digital marketing. Now, when I use the term inbound, is I really focus on putting in automated systems that allow ideal prospects and decision makers to approach you. Though the more traditional ways of marketing and business development are and can work in this new day and age, I help businesses really transform to more of a digital online approach and really leverage the tools at their disposal. So, again, we're going to be talking about 3 ways to improve your AdWords campaign for your software and IT business immediately. And make sure that you listen to the end because I'm going to throw in one bonus. All right. So, number one is understanding your audience. Now, this is marketing 101, and I'm a big believer in what I call direct response marketing. But one of the most successful ways and one of the fundamental ways to be successful with your Google Ads campaign and any type of marketing, um, in fact, is to really understand who you're targeting or really understand who your best ideal client is or prospect. And one of the terms that really sums that up that I really love is um, to sell John Jones what John Jones buys, you need to see John Jones through John Jones' eyes. So, you should be really thinking about how you can provide the best value to the marketplace. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you really fall in love with who your ideal client is and really understand them, their mindset, what they're going through, and how you can help better position yourself to solve those problems. Right. So that's the first thing in improving your AdWords campaign. Next is your campaign structure. Now, this is something that a lot of people uh, don't even really consider, but I've seen this time and time again, and the success that we have brought forth for our clients is how you even set up the ad sets and the ads within the campaign. There is a certain methodology that you should follow. So, to give you an example or give you some quick tips, what you should do is make sure that you have 3 ad sets. And within each one of those ad sets, you should have 3 different types of ads. And you should be what we call split testing. Now, there are no such thing as great marketers. There are great testers, is what we are. So within that ad set, you should have 3 different ads. And the first ad can be what we call your baseline or the ad that you're going to try to outperform with. And then the second ad, you may switch around your headline. You don't want to change anything else, but you may want to switch around the headline. And then the third one, you may want to try a different headline altogether. Now, within these ad sets, you should be bidding on certain keywords within each ad set. So in the second and third ad set, they should be different keywords. So ad set 1 should be your first 10 keywords, ad set 2 should be your second 10 keywords, and ad set 3 should be your third 10 keywords. And then within each one of those ad sets, you should have 3 different ads where you're testing the variances. And then as you are letting the ads run, eventually you can begin to see which ones outperform and turn off those ads and then recreate other ads to outperform that ad. So if it sounds a little convoluted or a bit confusing, be sure to reach out and we can do a free audit of your Google AdWords and show you how we can help you improve those. The next way is you want to make sure that your landing page is top notch. And what I mean by top notch is it should be congruent. Okay, so if you are promoting custom software development app development, and someone goes to the landing page and you're not talking about custom software app development or you're talking about this new product that you have, there's going to be some incongruency there. It's going to affect the way that your ad performs, and Google is not going to rank you as high, and you're going to pay a lot more for the cost per click. So one of the things that you want to make sure is what we call ad copy or landing page congruency. So if your headline it's stated one way, you should have that exact headline on your landing page. All right. Now, the bonus, for those of you who stayed on and watched this long video to the end, the bonus is what you want to do is you want to target relevant traffic. Okay. Now, we know that only 3% in any industry, in any market, are actually ready to buy your services. So whether you're an IT service managed provider, whether you're selling couches, whether you're selling shoes, there's only 3% in the market who are ready to buy at any given time. So with any type of online marketing, digital marketing, AdWords, Facebook, pay-per-click, most of the time you guys are advertising to those who are not interested in your services at all. You are advertising to the hay looking for the needles. And what we are able to do is we're able to only market to the needles. So again, just to go over these 3 things again, you want to improve your AdWords campaign immediately. 1, make sure that you go back to the drawing board, you sit down with your team and you understand exactly who you're marketing to. Number 2, make sure that you are leveraging the best practices to maximize your AdWords campaign. And that's the structure of the campaign. Okay, you got to make sure that you guys are split testing and optimizing those campaigns. And then last is, like I said, your landing page congruency. If you are marketing or if you're leading with a headline or some type of product or service and keywords, you better make sure that that landing page is backing it up. And again, if you feel as though that you are wasting time and wasting money on your ads, it's probably because you're not marketing to a relevant audience. And again, that's where we can help with what we do over here. We are only marketing to the needles, and we are getting some great results for our clients. So if you want to learn more, like, subscribe, share with someone who you think may see some value in this, or be sure to reach out. I left some credentials down at the bottom, and I'm looking forward to seeing how we may be able to help you out.